Now that you know about the technology behind cryptocurrencies and about the coins themselves, we're going to move on to learn about wallets and exchanges. In this chapter we will cover what a crypto wallet is, why you need them and how they work, what to think about when choosing a wallet, the pros and cons of wallet options available to you, once you have a wallet, where to get your first coins, and finally cryptocurrency exchanges, where you will most likely be doing your trading. In the world of cryptocurrency trading, you are your own bank. To start trading in cryptocurrencies, the first thing that you will need is a wallet. Wallets are software programs that store keys, both public and private. Wallets interact with various blockchains to allow users to send and receive cryptocurrencies and to check their balances. So you could think of your wallet as your bank account. Keep in mind that a wallet doesn't store any physical coins. The only two functions of your wallet are to keep your private keys safe and to connect to your coin's blockchain. Private keys allow for the movement of funds to other traders and provide you with the ability to withdraw funds from your cryptocurrency account. A public key is also used in transactions and is also needed to receive cryptocurrency into your wallet.